Okay, how to find a video posted on Mamahood, the channel. I wanted to showcase how Excel filters are actually a really useful and easy tool. So we have multiple categories. You can search by date. You can also sort by date. You can search by type. Um, whatever you may be interested in. And here we have things related to burnout, for example, or things related to parenting triggers, if that's something that you're interested in listening to. And also, in the future, as we have more video contributors, you can search by whoever hosted that video. There's also a way to do keyword search, which is not a filter search, but basically you can just on the keyboard press Control F, and you can search for a term that I thought would be a good keyword for one of the videos, and then it'll take you to that video. You click on that link.